So high quality pricing data is crucial for business success. You're working on facts rather than guesswork. Accurate data, accurate pricing data means you're making dynamic pricing decisions that change with customer preferences and is able to capture the shopper versus leave money on the table or see them go to competition. In sum, this is the most important ingredient in driving tens of millions to hundreds of millions in new business for large brands. So what we found is pricing data comes in two flavors. One is at a SKU level and the second is at a relative pricing level. And SKU level pricing data is very hard. You have some platforms, some retailers that use old platforms with very little data. They are not really allowing you to gain pricing of different SKUs for different size, colors, whereas in some cases you do. And so you do not want to compare the price of a size 7 Nike Air Jordan white shoe with a size 9. That's totally wrong. And so we found that you need A, the expertise in e-commerce, and B, the expertise in e-commerce product detail to be able to generate high quality data. Invested in technology for the last 10 years to be able to collect data at scale. Yes, you might be able to get a few SKUs, but being able to collect it for tens of thousands of products, from different geographies is hard. So one is technology. The second is we use human in the loop. So human judgment to be able to find subtle differences is critical in pricing data, and we use a combination of humans and algorithms to be able to do high quality pricing data at scale. Modern cloud computing technologies that are affordable to us at scale allow us to collect data at scale, process petabytes of data, and offer high quality data. These technologies allow you to use human judgment as required on complex problems, and hence you're able to solve these large scale data science problems affordably to clients. Brands are able to price effectively and then gain on conversion and win tens of millions of revenue. That's one. Number two, brands use us to find the right pricing to grow into a new geography or a new category, and as a result, they can expand market share again in the tens to hundreds of millions of dollars. And number three, it's also defensive, which is channel managers are using our data to find minimum advertising pricing violators that are causing a lot of headache and wasting a lot of ad dollars and just a lot of time internally. You want to factor in other attributes like pricing, promotion, consumer sentiment, trends, product design, brand perception, and so on when you make the right pricing. And with more and more data available and a lot of the compute getting cheaper and cheaper, those brands that really factor these will win. Competitor pricing data, high quality, is huge. You may not be hitting your revenue numbers or your margin numbers because the competitor pricing data you're using is inaccurate. Hence, you have to go back to the drawing board, make sure your competitor pricing data is accurate so that your pricing is correct and you're able to maintain and grow your revenue and margins.